Today CRISPR news is about a vaccine which is developed by the UK Fulbright Institute, which used CRISPR and to develop a flurry vaccines for the avian influenza and Marburg diseases. Fulbright claims its method of vaccine development is faster and more efficient compared to existing processes, allowing vaccines manufacturers to keep up the virus evolutions. Fulbright scientists utilize CRISPR-Cas9 to insert in avian flu genes into the Turkish herpes virus used in Marburg disease vaccines. The gene code for hemagglutinin, which is an influenza protein that is a key for the virus entering into host cell and is therefore an important target of the most immune response to black infections. The high amount of mutations can occur in hemagglutinin protein and enable flu virus to evade vaccine immunity. CRISPR-Cas9 will reduce the time it takes companies to adopt vaccine strains to match mutations and allow for the faster response to outbreak as well as provide better protections. Fulbright states although this gene editing method is very reliable, a small number of HVT viruses fail to incorporate the hemagglutinin gene into their own genome effectively. To ensure hemagglutinin is being expressed in the vaccine, the team exploited the hemagglutinin protein ability binds molecule on the surface of red blood cells. Chicken cells infection with the successfully modified HVT virus expressed hemagglutinin in the surface that red blood cells attach to, forming a claim that can be visualized using microscopy. The genetic engineering process have developed using CRISPR-Cas9 is far quicker and more efficient than previous technology, as well as being very constituents inaccurate. The attribution is essential for providing faster and reliable vaccine production to protect poultry, explains Professor Munir Iqbal, head of the avian influenza group of Fulbright Institute. If you want to read more about this article, I will give the link of this article in the description below. Thanks for watching.